Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's get this crypto. Before I start off yapping about the project that I'll be covering, I just want to give you a heads up. I woke up today with a sore throat, or I don't know what the hell is going on. It feels like a frog crawled down my throat in my sleep and made a nest for himself or something. And with that being said, I want to present you Baby Baked Beans. This is a project that I'm personally very excited about. I really like the concept, and this is not a sponsored video. Spoke to the team, I said I will make a video for you. They asked me, what do you charge? I told them, hey, I don't want your money. I'm gonna put my own hard-earned money into this project because that's how much I believe in this. So the Baby Baked Beans token is a reflection token, and what that means is if you hold the Baby Baked Beans token, you will get paid out rewards automatically, and the token that will be paid out to you or the Baked Beans token. So if this isn't a testament to how strong the Baked Beans community is, that they go out of their way to create their own tokens, their own reflection tokens, then I don't know what is. This is the Baby Baked Beans token short. Baby Baked Beans on a 1 hour short. As you can see, we had a initial run up, some sell off, run up again, and sell off again. Now people will be like, Holger, you can't do technical analysis on a meme token or a token that's brand new. Shut up! I do what I want. And for the people saying, price looks horrible, that's exactly what I like, because I'm sitting here with 1,382 Baby Baked Beans tokens. And I want a max wallet. I want a max wallet. And a max wallet is 2,000 Baby Baked Beans tokens. Baby Baked Beans tokens, Baby Baked Beans, Baby Baked Beans, Baby Baked Beans tokens. So we are gonna eat this dip. Let's go. Ooh, I got some BNB ready in my wallet. About 58 bucks. Not a lot, but hey, I'm just a poor boy. I need no sympathy. Why does it say? Because I'm connected to the wrong fucking wallet. God damn it. God fuck. Let's try to connect again. Baba booey. Okay, now we got the correct wallet. So 0.9. How many tokens? Doesn't give me a max wallet. 0.93. Well, it's close enough. I will be DCAing into this token so that I can get a maxed wallet. And I'm not just looking to get one maxed out wallet, I want 20 of them. Hey, you see that little movement right there? That was your boy Holger. Oh, and I totally forgot to tell you that they actually launched their NFTs today. So the first 25 NFTs will be selling for 0.05 BNB, and the last 25 NFTs will be selling for 0.075 BNB. And they are also holding a competition, so for every 10 NFT that is minted, they will do a wheel spin to give away 0.1 BNB as a prize. Now I fucked up and bought Baby Baked Beans with my BNB instead, when I could have gotten an NFT, because these NFTs you can stake them for 1 Baby Baked Beans token per day, meaning you will be looking at a 2 to 3x profit if you're early, so I will definitely try to scratch up some more BNB to get into the NFTs. Now, let's do some quick maths. If I'm correct, holding the Baby Baked Beans token will pay you out 3% reflection in the baked token. So let's head over here to my wallet. Oh fuck, I need 70 more tokens. Well, anyway, I got 48 baked beans here, and I got paid out on the 11th. I got 20 baked tokens, which is about 0.0003 BNB, and yesterday I got paid out 27 baked tokens. Now look, I'm kinda retarded, so I don't know how to do the maths really on this, but yesterday I should have held $700, and this was on the 10th, so 791 tokens. Let's pull up the old calculator. 791 times 0.03 is 23 tokens, and wasn't that exactly what I got paid out? 20 tokens. Well, it's about 2-3%. So, goddamn, 3% reflection. So damn, 3% reflection is actually fucking insane, dude. Anyway, before I leave you guys, I wanted to cover the baked price. This is the token that you will be paid out in when you buy the Baby Baked Beans token. As we can see, we had the run up from well, we did 23x, and yesterday we had a huge sell-off. Now, what triggered this sell-off? Nothing in particular. There was a pre-saler who sold, and then it triggered another pre-saler to sell, so on and so forth. Basically, this is healthy. You can't go up 23x without at least a 50% retrace. If you think you can go up 23x and keep going up like 50% every day, then you're living in a fantasy world, and I pray for you. But anyway, I bought some on the dip right here, as you can see. I was tracking the sells yesterday evening when the sell-off happened, and most of the sells were pre-salers, like I said, which is a good thing, because now we know that the big holders, the so-called whales, they sold off their entire bags, so that means that we have room for new investors to come in, and or not even new investors, anyone who wants to eat up this dip, because this right here will now become a super strong support level. Now, why would this area become strong support? Well, it's simple. Most likely, or most of the people, at least the big sells right here, were pre-salers, so they bought in here. Now they held all the way up to here, and then they sold off. Now most people probably bought around this area right here, and some bought here. So you gotta ask yourself, what is your risk tolerance? At what point do you decide to sell out of your tokens? Is it at minus 30, minus 40, minus 50%? Well, if you bought here, this was a minus 56% drop. So most likely the people that bought in here, they sold off right here. So these players are gone. Or if they were smart, they DCA'd down here. And the people who bought here, they are still holdings, or there's a lot of liquidity in this area. Now look, I probably haven't told you this before, but I can actually see into the future, and this is what will happen. New people will start to come in here, and when we see some green candles, people will think, okay, we're going back to 2 million market cap. So boom, we're gonna set in a new all-time high, probably at 0.05, because humans like round numbers, and what will happen then? We will most likely dump after a while to this area again, about 50% or so, where the new liquidity is. Do you understand? Look, I'm basically Rain Man, but I suck at maths. That's all you need to know. I want to thank our sponsor Blowfin for making it possible for me to create content full time. Blowfin is my personal favorite crypto exchange, not just because they are a sponsor, but they are one of the only exchanges that allows you to start trading without going through an extensive KYC process. They offer one of the most user-friendly interfaces that I have ever experienced. Blowfin also offers a welcome bonus for new users of up to $5,000, and you can trade with high leverage up to 125x. Check out Blowfin for yourself by clicking the link in the description down below. Thank you, Blowfin. But what about the use case? There is no use case, sir. The token has no use case. Listen up here, you fucking rotten brain moon boy. There is a use case, and it's the casino. So, this is what happens. Exactly the same thing that happened with Bitcoin and the ETF. The casino was announced, people heard about the casino, they bought the rumor, like they should, they sold the news, like they have been taught, but I'm one step ahead of the game. Like I said, I'm a Rain Man, but I'm not good at maths, and I can see into the future. What happened after the Bitcoin ETF got launched? The price dumped. What happens a few weeks later? People started to notice, oh, there's a lot of ETF inflows. There's a lot of inflows to Bitcoin right now. And what happened to the price? It skyrocketed even higher. Let's get this crypto. So if you own the BBAKED token, you will own a share in the casino, and you will earn some of that revenue. Now 99.9% of all tokens ever created has zero use case, except for a few tokens which are super ironic, and that's casino tokens. Tokens like Rollbit, Winner, BetSwap, all of these tokens have actual real life utility, because it's basically like buying shares in a casino. When the casino generates revenue, you get paid out in dividends by holding the token. Do you get me? This is the secret that pretty much no one knows about. I have made a ton of money holding the Rollbit token, and I have made a ton of money holding the PLSP token, which was a casino on Pulsechain, and I will make a ton of money holding the BBAKED token. Let's get this crypto. And that's where the baby baked beans token comes into play. So you can either buy this token, the BBAKED token, and you will have direct access to making passive income from staking it in the casino, or you can buy the cheaper option, the baby baked beans token. Fuck, that's hard to say. Which has a smaller market cap, which means it's super easy for this token to absolutely skyrocket to fucking Valhalla. Personally, I'm buying both, and I will explain to you why. This video is already way longer than it should be, but hold on for a sec. This is the most important part. If you're still watching, comment baby beans, comment baby beans, comment baby beans if you are still watching, because I'm gonna spill you the alpha right now. So, we got the baked casino here, where you can play games and earn money, and you can stake your baked token. You get the idea, this is the baked token, and you can earn rewards from the casino revenue. Now you can also have on the side some baby baked beans, which earns you more baked beans tokens to stake into the Magic Beans Casino to earn you more revenue. And as this is a low supply, low market cap token, the price will most likely go up. Do you understand me? Yes or yes? So that is my DD on the Baby Baked Beans token. You can join me in my thesis, or you can stay on the sideline and watch. It's totally up to you, Lil Timmy. I'm sorry for all the schizo ranting, and I hope to God that I made sense. And if you made it this far, you're a freaking legend. Comment legend in the comment section down below, and I will give away a free 50 USDT to anyone who comments legend in the comment section down below. Anyway, I want to thank you all for watching. Like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please like, comment, subscribe, check on my Telegram group, but most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.